TechnoIllustrator. Adjusting detail. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Choose an image. Double-click on a photo to access its modified settings. Select Fine Tune. Click on Adjust Detail. Click Analyze. Then adjust the bar below to reduce the noise. Step 4. Save your file. Closing your file automatically saves it. Click on Close File to save.